Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Shein account. Keep watching the video till the end to sign up for your Shein account. Firstly, open up your Shein application. The home page of the Shein application will appear on the screen. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right side of the page. On the next page, click on the Sign in/register option. Enter your mobile number or email address in the given space and tap on Continue. Create a password for your Shein account. Tap on the circles to agree to the terms and conditions of Shein and to get offers from Shein by email. Then tap on Register. Click on the eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can sign up for your Shein account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.